My name is Piyush and welcome in Musima classes. So today to onward in this playlist we are going to cover web services. Okay. So my name is Piyush. Okay. So we are going to discuss about the web services. So this tutorial and this entire playlist videos is designed for the beginners and professionals also. So we are providing the basic and advanced concept of web services such as the protocol, SOAP, restful, or you can say Java Web Services implementation. Okay, so first thing, this is the introduction lecture, but I'm going to discuss about the what is the web services because you are you came here for what is the web services you want to know about it. Okay, so मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी भी यूज़ करूँगा इंग्लिश भी यूज़ करूँगा तो जो हिंदी यूज़र्स हैं इंग्लिश यूज़र्स हैं उनमें वो दोनों समझ पाएंगे कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, so web services is a technology to communicate one programming language to another. So web services एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी होती है जो किसी एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज से किसी दूसरी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का कम्युनिकेशन करती है या एक एक मीडियम बिठाती है जो आपस में जिससे जो दो लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस हैं वो आपस में कम्युनिकेशन कर पाएँ. ओके, so for example Java is a programming language. Okay, so Java programming language can interact with the PHP and also .NET and another one. Okay, so अगर हम बात करते हैं जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की, अगर उसे हमें इंटरेक्ट कराना है किसी PHP या किसी .NET लैंग्वेज से तो हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे? वी विल यूज़ वेब सर्विसेज. Okay, so in another word, web services provides a way to achieve interoperability. Okay, so very clear. So we will use the Jersey projects. Okay, so we will use the Maven tool. So what is the Maven tool? मैंने उस पर वीडियो बनाया है, मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक पे दे दूंगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दूंगा तो आप वहाँ से जाके देख सकते हैं कि माविन क्या होता है. सो माविन इज द टूल. ठीक है, सो माविन इज द टूल लाइक सपोज दैट यू if you want to add a jar in your project, so how you can do, so you will download the jar files and open the build path and you set the path of the jar. So you are doing manually works, but in the bigger project, if you are doing these all things manually, so it will become a critical condition. Okay, so for this you have to use the Maven projects. Okay, so Maven is just a project. So suppose that you want to a jar, so you can say the jar, you can say the Maven, hey Maven, I need this one jar. So you can add the dependency from the MVN repository. Okay, then you can copy the dependencies in the pom.xml file and you can add. Okay, so this is the introduction lecture. In this lecture, from this lecture to onwards, we will discuss about the web services. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much guys.